24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that 'cause
welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm super excited because it's another vlog. Not only that, but it's another photo shoot vlog. And the thing about this photo shoot is I found the perfect location for swimwear in Atlanta, Georgia. Like, it's giving Miami, it's giving LA. And this photo shoot was so much fun. I really don't want to ramble on too much because the shoot was just so amazing and I can't wait for you guys to see. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, the beginning of this video does start off just a little bit slow, so I'm gonna include a timestamp right here of when it gets a little bit more lit in the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Out here shooting for swimwear. Found this cute spot. I'm sweating so bad. Yeah, I wish I brought my tripod so I could vlog. Oh, I forgot those shoes are so uncomfortable. I said I forgot those shoes are so uncomfortable. So if they start hurting, you can change into your hold that. Do okay. This is such a cute spot. I cannot lie to you. Drop your shoulder a little in the front. Yep. Two. It's okay. You won't really be able to see it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Oh, wait. Trying to hurry up and finish. Trying to hurry up and finish shooting real quick. I'm over here trying to watch our stuff. I have like nothing on. As I was editing this video, I realized I needed to tell you guys a little bit more of what was going on and things like that. So first day of shooting, we got kicked off of somebody's property, somebody's private property. We got today is part 2, well, day 3 of shooting swimwear. So I'm gonna try to get these looks taken pictures in. I have 4 models. I have 4 models and myself, and then I have a photographer and a videographer coming out today. I have my best friend here with me to help me. So right now we're just waiting on 2 girls to come over to get their hair and makeup. It's 8:01. We have to leave here by 8:30. Gotta get gas, get some breakfast, and then be at the shoot location by 9. and then we're gonna start shooting as soon as we get there. Shoot time really starts at 9:30, but you know, Black people time, we gotta kind of push it forward. So yeah, so cute. Okay. Yep, ready when you are.
It was
Get back a little more. Should have brought some lights.
Thank you. We didn't put the oil on.
Dang, I left that in my car, and I definitely need. Oh no, it's right there.
Got to do with it, baby.
Yo, DJ Dempsey.
Got to do with it, baby. Slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks her lips. She could be the office type, but like the strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eyes. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I don't wanna lose the feeling, cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. And you looking good for the getting, I'm a rider.
It's good? Amazing? Really? Oh my. Oh no. I guess we can go back. I guess we can go back to the shoot. Please, my booty. Not my booty, but
I got you.
we can go back to the shoot.
I'm a rider, whether in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You should see the jury on my women, and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trizz with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little menage? After the party, me and you could just slide for a few.
You look amazing. Hey, hang around. Hey. Hey, you want to model this?
Huh?
We got Alexis in her zone. That looks really good.
And she can come through, that's love. Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about trusting.
Yo, mommy, I know you got issues. You got a man, but you need to understand that you got something with you. Ass is fat, frame is little. Tattoo in your chest with his name in the middle. I'm not a hater, I'll just crush a lie.
Alright, you guys, so we're wrapping up the shoot. We're just doing a couple of group video shots. And yeah, it's got to be so bomb. We got it kind of together, so I'm gonna show you guys what my thinking is. I want us to all sit at the same time. So, gotta get her on board, but it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so you can see this part. Alright, so Deja, we're all gonna do kind of like a seating thing. You're gonna sit. Three, 2, 1.
Coming to you live from the city of Houston, Atlanta, Vegas.
So what it do, young nigga? 100.
I am on a 24-hour champagne diet, spilling while I'm sipping. I encourage you to try it. I'm probably just saying that cause I don't have to buy it. The club owner supply it. Boy, I'm on that fly shit. I am with everybody in my past. Don't want me to be, guess what? I made it. I'm the motherfucking man. I just want you to see, come take a look. Get a load of this nigga. Quit running on me, don't come around and try to gas me up. I like running on E. I'm on my Disney shit, goofy flow. On records, I'm Captain Hook, and my new car is Rufio. Damn, where my
Yeah.
Good people. May we done?
Huh?
We pretty much done?
I think we're good. That's a wrap. I gotta get one more swimsuit pick.
What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about
Yo, DJ Denzi.
What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about us. What's love?
Yeah, slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips.